Australia's Subclass 190 visa, your direct pathway to permanent residency in 2026 without needing a job offer. Skilled professionals worldwide are choosing Australia to build a new life and career. The Subclass 190 opens that door for you. The Subclass 190 visa is for skilled workers nominated by an Australian state or territory. First step, check if your occupation is on the relevant state's skilled occupation list and complete a skills assessment. You must score at least 65 points on Australia's points test, based on age, education, English, and experience. You need a nomination from a state or territory. Each state has its own criteria and priorities. Apply online by submitting an expression of interest on Skill Select and wait for a state invitation. Once you're invited by a state, apply for the Subclass 190 visa and upload your documents. Be ready for health checks and police clearance as part of visa processing requirements for all applicants. With the 190 visa, you receive permanent residency, full work rights, and access to Australia's Medicare healthcare system. PR lets you settle anywhere in your sponsoring state. Your family can live, study, and work alongside you. Processing typically takes 4 to 8 months after application, though times can vary depending on your case. Boost your chances. Demonstrate high English skills, state-specific work experience, and adaptability to stand out. Subclass 190 is a direct path to citizenship. After PR, you can apply for citizenship once eligible. Is the Subclass 190 visa your pathway to a new future in Australia?